I wanted to share the latest album that I've made with you, and this is one that I've really enjoyed making. I love the papers, but I've also had a little bit more time. I wasn't in such a rush to have to get this one made, so I've been able to do little extra things with it. So for example, just on the end of the ribbons, to be able to put the little tags. So this is the Make a Splash papers by Graphic 45. I'm just going to bring you down a little bit more so that I can show you the whole album. Right, so if we turn to the first page, so this is actually undone, this would be tied up, and again I've put some smaller ones on the end there, and I've used the Cool Cats little tags, little hexagons that you can get as a set. So if I just move it over this way a little bit. So the first page is just an opening, and an opening with lots of pockets, as you can see, to put everything in, and then a double pocket there. So the next page, I've made a photograph envelope, and I've had the time to do the little finishing touches, like put photographs on there, and then inside the little photograph corners for that. I've made one of the Cool Cats waterfalls. And I love this die. I love the smoothness of it. And I love that I can make it any size that I want. I mean, this is the most common one that I've made, but obviously you can use the tags and everything as well. So then a nice flat page, because we've had a few bulky pages. So just with photo slots in. And I'll just move that because the sun's shining at the moment. And I've used the little stamps there to tell you the size of the photos. So then I've used a tonic die here. Again, the little bits on the end of my ribbon. And this time I've put the photo slots in the front of this twist and pop. So you've got the twist and pop, but I've actually, as I say, put space for another photo in the front there. Then I've got a second photo wallet, and again I've put the photo die on the front there. Always present. And this time I've used a little bit of, oh gosh, what's it called? It's gone out of my head, but the glaze anyway, on there. And then another flat page just push that corner up, just with the photo slots, but using the circle ones this time. And I've used the stickers that come with the packs just to decorate the little photo templates. So now we've got a twizzle, nice little twizzle, and you can see we've got a photo slot here, and I've used the Cool Cats wavy line to create an interesting edge to that, and again to that one. Oh, can't see it, and that one, and there's a pocket, and then one of my all-time favourites, this lovely little opening door, and another twizzle there. So no magnets in this book. Then again, quite a flat page, just a double pocket. And if I take these out, I particularly wanted to use this piece of paper. So I've kept it complete, but just divided it up into pockets. So we'll put one there, but when you take them out, you can see it is one whole picture. And then on the final page, we've got another one of these, and we've got another pocket page. And what I've done this time, which I haven't done before, I normally decorate just one of the inside spines, but I've decorated three, and each one is a continuation. So the three of them link together. It's difficult to see, but that's how I've done that one. and then you've got the memories on the side there. So I really hope you like this album. As I say, I've really enjoyed having the time to really think about what I wanted to do with it. So please let me know. Please make a comment. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please, please, please will you do so. Because that's obviously, it just adds to the number of subscribers, which is always good. So thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.